Today we will discuss the next topic, that is unit number 3 from your syllabus, partial differentiation. Okay, name of the unit, partial differentiation. We know that there are two types of differentiation. First is ordinary differentiable equation and second is the partial differentiation. Okay, ordinary and partial. Okay, now the definition of partial differentiation. Partial, first we will discuss the definition. I will start directly your syllabus. Definition: an differentiable equation which contain see the definition, an differentiable equation which contain only one dependent variable, only one dependent variable and two or more than two independent variable is called partial differentiation. Is called partial differentiation. Now look on the board. A differentiable equation which contain only one dependent variable. Dependent variable is one, and two or more than two independent variables. Okay, this is definition of PD, that is partial differentiable equation. Okay, then uska reverse, that is and differentiable equation which contain two or more than two dependent variable and only one independent variable. This is called ODE, that is ordinary differentiable equation. Okay, this is definition of the partial differentiable equation. Now we will discuss the two more definition or remark. First, let f of x comma y, let f of x comma y be a function of x comma y. Okay, f of x comma y is a function of x comma y. उसका मीनिंग क्या है? f is function of x and y. f is function of x and y. Then the derivative of f, with respect to x, keeping y as constant, here f is function of x and y, and here we will define the derivative of f with respect to x keeping y as constant is called partial derivative of f, partial derivative of f with respect to x keeping y as constant, और इतना ही. Okay, let f of x comma y be a function of x y, then the derivative of f with respect to x keeping y as constant, is called the partial derivative of y with respect to x, and it is denoted by dou f by dou x or fx. Okay, both are same. उसका मीनिंग क्या है? The derivative of f with respect to x. Okay, the derivative of f with respect to x partially. Dou indicates partially. Okay, and defined as dou f by dou x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h comma y minus f of x comma y divided by h. Okay, this is definition. Okay, the derivative of f with respect to x keeping y constant. Okay, this is your partial derivative of f with respect to x. Now same remark second, remark 2 let f of x comma y be a function of x comma y, be a function of x comma y, then the derivative of f, then derivative of f with respect to the derivative of f with respect to y keeping x as constant is called partial derivative of f with respect to y. यहाँ पे f is remain okay missing. Keeping y as constant is called partial derivative of f, partial derivative of f with respect to y, okay. Now same definition here we have to discuss the partial derivative of f with respect to y keeping x as constant. Now this word is important. Then the derivative of f with respect to y keeping x as a constant, okay, is called the partial derivative of f with respect to y, okay. And here the partial derivative of f with respect to x. Notation, this is dou f by dou y or fy, okay, both are same, and defined as here x is constant, so limit, or this is fy or dou f by dou y, कौन सा भी लिख दो, limit k tends to 0 f of x comma y plus k minus f of xy divided by k. Okay, this is your definition. Okay, this is dou f by dou x and this is your dou f by dou y. Okay, these two definitions are important. Now the higher orders derivative. Okay, these first two definitions are basic. From that we will define the next point, the higher order derivatives. Okay, the higher orders derivative, this is your fx and fy, partial derivative of f with respect to x and partial derivative of f with respect to y. Okay, now higher order derivatives. First dou by dou x of dou f by dou x. Okay, the dou f by dou x, this is nothing but the first order partial derivative of f with respect to x. Now differentiate again this with respect to x, we get dou to f upon dou x square or is equal to f xx. Okay. Now second dou y of dou f by dou x. This is your partial derivative of f with respect to x, again differentiate this with respect to y. Okay, again differentiate this with respect to y, so we get dou to f upon dou x dou y. दिस इज रिवर्स ऑर्डर है, यहाँ पे रिवर्स लिखा है, यहाँ पे x का डिफरेंशिएशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y, तो फर्स्ट x देन y, उसका मीनिंग क्या है, डिफरेंशिएट f फर्स्ट x देन डिफरेंशिएट f सेकंड y. ओके, दिस इज योर f x y, f x y. देन थर्ड dou by dou y of dou f by dou y, we get dou to f upon dou y square. Okay, or this is f y y. Okay, f y y. Then fourth dou x by dou y, dou f by dou y, तो उसका मीनिंग क्या है, फर्स्ट डिफरेंशिएट f with respect to y, then differentiate this with respect to x, so we get dou to f upon dou y dou x. ओके, उसका मीनिंग क्या है, f द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ f फर्स्ट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y देन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. ओके, ऑर्डर रिवर्स इज इक्वल टू f y x. ओके, these four are called the second order partial derivatives. These four are called the second order partial derivatives. Similarly, we have to discuss the third order, fourth order partial derivatives. No problem. Fifth, suppose this dou by dou x of dou to f upon dou x square, तो क्या जाएगा, डिफरेंशिएट दिस अगेन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x, we get dou cube f upon dou x cube or is equal to f x x x. Okay, then next dou x by, suppose this is your second, dou to f upon dou x dou y, we get this dou to f upon, फर्स्ट क्या है, with respect to x, then with respect to y, then with respect to x. Okay, or this is f x y x. Okay, dot 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 dot. This is your the higher order partial derivatives. Okay, these are your higher order partial derivatives. Okay, now we have to find the partial derivatives up to order n. Okay, partial derivatives up to order n. These are the higher order partial derivatives. Okay, now we will discuss the next point and the next point is the rules for partial derivatives. We know that the rules of derivative, just like this we will explain the rules for partial derivatives. Okay, rules for partial derivatives, rules for partial derivatives. So first rule, let u and v are the functions of x and y. Let u comma v are functions of x comma y. Then first rule, dou by dou x u plus minus v, just use the rule of एडिशन ऑफ टू. ओके, तो क्या जाएगा, उसका डिफरेंशिएशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x, तो क्या जाएगा, डो यू बाई डो एक्स प्लस माइनस डो वी बाई डो एक्स. ओके, देन सेम फॉर y, सेम फॉर y, बिकॉज u and v आर द फंक्शंस ऑफ x and y. देन नेक्स्ट सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट, डो बाई डो एक्स ऑफ u इंटू v, दैट इज u v रूल इन डेरिवेटिव. क्या जाएगा, u डो v बाई डो एक्स प्लस v डो u बाई डो y. ओके, u v रूल इन डेरिवेटिव, सॉरी x. Then same for y, here is x, that's why here is x, also same for y. The next third, dou by dou x of u by v, we get the formula of this u by v rule in derivative, v dou u by dou x minus u dou v by dou x whole divided by v square, provided v square is not is equal to 0. Then next, dou by dou x of u k into u. K is any constant, we get k dou u by dou x. Okay, then same rule for y. Suppose here is y, dou by dou y, तो यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा y y. Same for y. Okay, these are the rules for finding partial derivative. This is called addition, subtraction, then this is u into v multiplication, this is u by v, and this is constant multiple. Okay, or this is called the algebra of partial differentiation. Okay, algebra of partial differentiation. Same rule for y, same rule for y. Okay, now some basic formulas of partial derivatives. We know that this all information, basic formulas of partial differentiation, basic formula of partial differentiation. Okay, now first formula, we know that this very well. First I will repeat this point. First, dou by dou x of, or first of all I will write here, let f is a function of x and y. Let f is function of x comma y. Then first dou by dou x और dou by dou y कौन सा भी लिया तो भी चलेगा. f is function of, I will write this, f raised to n. Here we have to write f or f x comma y, both are same because f is function of x and y. Okay, dou by dou x of f raised to n क्या मिलेगा, use x raised to n formula, n f raised to n minus 1 into dou by dou x of f. Okay, then same for y, that is I will also write for y, dou by dou y of f raised to n, तो क्या जाएगा, n f raised to n minus 1 into dou f by dou y. Okay, dou f by dou y. Here f is function of x and y. Okay, f is replaced by f of x comma y, no problem, both are same. Okay, now second, dou by dou x of under root f. We know that the derivative of under root f क्या आता है, 1 upon 2 root f into dou f by dou x. Okay, then same formula for y. Third, dou by dou x of a raised to x क्या आता है आंसर, सॉरी a raised to f, I will write a raised to f. क्या मिलेगा, a raised to f into log of a into dou f by dou x. Okay, same for y. Then next, dou by dou x of e raised to f क्या जाएगा, e raised to f into dou f by dou x. Then next, dou by dou x of log of f, f is function of x and y क्या मिलेगा, dou by dou x of cos f, f is function of x comma y, तो क्या जाएगा cos का माइनस sin f dou f by dou x. Then dou by dou x of sin f क्या मिलेगा, cos f dou f by dou x. Okay, same formula for y also. Then next, dou by dou x of tan f क्या मिलेगा, tan का डिफरेंशिएशन sec square f into dou f by dou x. Okay, the next, dou by dou x of cot f, derivative of cot minus cosec square f dou f by dou x. Okay, then next, dou by dou x of sec f क्या मिलेगा, sec f into tan f into dou f by dou x. Okay, same all same formula for y also. The next dou by dou x of cosec f क्या जाएगा for cosec माइनस cosec f into cot f into dou f by dou x. Okay. The next dou by dou x of sin inverse f. We know that the formula of sin inverse x. Okay, just like this. तो क्या जाएगा 1 upon under root 1 minus f square into dou f by dou x. Then same for cos inverse. For cos inverse उसे क्या जाएगा minus sin. Okay. The next dou by dou x of tan inverse of f. क्या जाएगा फॉर्मूला ऑफ tan inverse of f 1 upon 1 plus f square into dou f by dou x. ओके, सेम फार्मूला फॉर cot इनवर्स, यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा माइनस साइन, बिकॉज साइन इनवर्स प्लस cos इनवर्स इज इक्वल टू 1. देन सेम tan इनवर्स प्लस cot इनवर्स इज इक्वल टू 1. देन नेक्स्ट dou by dou x of sec इनवर्स, आई विल राइट sec इनवर्स ऑफ f क्या जाएगा 1 upon f अंडर रूट f square minus 1 into dou f by dou x. This is your formula. Okay, for cos inverse negative sign, for cot inverse negative sign, and for cosec inverse also negative sign. Okay, these formulas are very important for this topic. Without this formula we can't start this topic. Okay, ये formula सब आपके पास होना चाहिए. Then same for with respect to y. Okay, here f is function of x comma y, and suppose f is function of x y z, then same for z also. Okay, so these are the basic part from partial differentiation. Okay, this is your basic part from partial derivatives. Okay, in next lecture we will start the basic example depending upon this partial differentiation.